Hey guys, so I'm gonna be telling you how to make like an hour or 3 hours go by faster. Okay guys, so here's a guys, this is a fast way that I know how to make time go by faster. Like guys, all you have to do is watch like 5, 6 or 7 minute videos. Like guys, but over and over. And guys, if you get bored you could switch to other videos, but guys, trust me, this one works. And guys, if you watch 5 minute videos, you'd only have to watch it for 12 times for it to be an hour. If you watch 6 minute videos, you'd only have to watch it for 10 times for it to be an hour. And if you watch it for 7 minutes, you'd only have to watch it for about maybe like 8 minutes for it to be an hour or something like that. And guys, here's another way. Like guys, you're gonna wanna do something fun, like guys, you can like text your friends or make videos or anything that you like to do. Cause guys, when when you're bored, it makes it seem like time is going by slow.